All right, receipt of the minutes, 4.1 Ordinary Audit and Risk Committee meeting on the 10th of June 2019. Any points of clarification of that meeting? Quite an extensive meeting, it was good. Yep, Councillor Body?
The agenda items invitations come through.
Who's in charge?
It's item 4.4.
So there was some minor corrective actions some corrective actions that we needed to undertake, which we've done. I'm not sure whether or not the final accreditation has come through, but we've definitely supplied the corrective actions, and that's been in consultation with IANZ.
All right. All those in favour, please say aye. Against, carried. Ordinary Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting on the 11th of June. Any points of clarification of those minutes? Councillor Kingi.
No community board agenda, which was around budgeted expenditure. But happy to move the paper.
Okay, thank you very much, Councillor Kingi. Seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Against, carried.